Naniniwala ang pamunuan ng Philippine Heart Association Central Luzon o PHACL na mahalaga ang pakikipag-ugnayan sa komunidad upang matiyak ang kalusugan ng publiko. Kaugnay nito, isinusulong ng asosasyon ang programang HEART o Health Education Advocacy Research and Transformational Alliance sa pangunguna ng kanilang bagong presidente na si Dr. Michelle Nieves.
What do I mean by that? Diba, whenever we have projects as a cardiologist, we tap other communities. We tap the family medicine, we tap the OBGYS who are also doing their programs, the teachers, the policemen, so barangay, we tap also the city hub. And so that's my flagship program. Kasi when I started to be an officer in PHA Central Luzon, napapasin ko na, we are cardiologists pero we don't stand alone. We are helping, we are hand in hand with the other types of doctors and other communities who wants to have the same goal, which is to do preventive medicine, to prevent diseases, and later on, yung patients will have quality life.
Makakasama ni Nieves ngayong taon sa pagtitimon sa PHA Central Luzon sina Dr. John Levy Dalus bilang Vice President, Dr. Paula Erica Reyes del Rosario, Secretary, Dr. Sandy Elfa, Bulacan Representative, Dr. Lester Salvador, Aurora and Nueva Ecija Representative, Dr. Sarah Jane Chavez, Tarlac Representative, Dr. Alicia Marie Hizon, Pampanga Representative, at Dr. Mary Rose Ann Lacalin, Bataan and Zambales Representative. Pinangunahan ni Dr. Aurora Gamponia, PHA National President, ang induction ng mga bagong opisyal ng PHA Central Luzon na ginanap sa Angeles City nitong June 20. Sa press conference, binigyang diin ni Gamponia ang halaga ng pagkakaroon ng wastong kaalaman pagdating sa cardiovascular diseases, gayon din ang first aid measures na makatutulong sa pagliligtas ng buhay.
So, there's also the hands-on CPR, which is being done all over the Philippines, and they've been very successful in training even the firemen, policemen, etc. So, and they went to different institutions, government institutions, hospitals. So this is a primary advocacy of the Philippine Heart Association. And then there's several advocacies such as yung Presyon 4 to tackle on hypertension the Filipinos. And this is again an educational advocacy. And so with heart failure, they've been going all over the Philippines. A caravan to educate mostly the healthcare workers and the nurses, general practitioners, family medicine.
Inihayag din ng PHA na ipinagdiriwang nito ang kanilang 75th anniversary sa susunod na taon. Kaugnay nito, panawagan nila sa pamahalaan na ideklara ang 2027 bilang Year of the Heart.
Ibig sabihin, matutulungan kami talaga ng government to step up in our advocacies in terms of controlling or trying to prevent, decrease the burden of cardiovascular disease in the Philippines. Kasi parang hindi naman talaga kaya na a few societies lang. We need the help of government. And that's why that's another step that we want to do next year.
Ayon kay Gamponia, kailangan ng matibay na suporta ng pamahalaan upang mas mapalawak ang mga programa at advokasya na layong mabawasan ang bilang ng mga Pilipinong naapektuhan ng mga sakit sa puso. Batay sa tala ng Philippine Statistics Authority, nangunguna ang ischemic heart disease sa mga sanhi ng pagkasawi sa Pilipinas. Noong 2024, tinatayang 96,000 na Pilipinong nasawi batay pa sa PSA data. Katumbas ito ng halos 20% ng total deaths sa nasabing taon. Justin Dizon, CLTV 36 News.